Hey everyone! Are you tired of walking long distances to hatch eggs in Pokémon Go? Don't worry, Defit, a tool for hatching eggs, can help you. Defit is designed to hatch eggs by linking your Google Fit or Apple Health and sending movement data to Pokémon. Here are the detailed steps. Download Defit and log in with the same Google account you use for Pokémon Go. In Pokémon Go, enable Adventure Sync in the settings and select the egg you want to hatch. Switch back to Defit, set your speed, and let it do the work for you. Don't overuse Defit, as it can get flagged by Niantic for spoofing. Defit requires watching ads to unlock usage hours and isn't available in the App Store, which limits its accessibility. If you want a safer, ad-free, and more professional tool, I recommend iMoveGo, the ultimate auto-walking tool for Pokémon Go. After completing the download, connect your phone to your computer via USB or Wi-Fi. There are two modes for auto-walk. In single-point mode, pick an endpoint, adjust the walking speed and click to move. iMoveGo will automatically plan a route for you. You can even enable reality mode for tiny, realistic speed fluctuations, making it undetectable. And in multi-point mode, you can customize the route. Adjust your speed and start moving. In Autowalk mode, you can spin Pokestop as much as you want, catch Pokémon, and more, all of which Defit can't do. And the walking data will never fail to synchronize, so you can easily hatch a 10 km eggs, or get a 50 km reward. Plus, it has a mobile app version, so you can use it without needing a computer. That's how you can hatch eggs in Pokémon Go without walking. Check out the links below the video to download Defit or iMoveGo and get started today.